feet. We're just doing a pipeline inspection there, 20 feet, and all of a sudden, twang! Tree popped up in front of us. We went that way, tree branch that way.
No way!
Yeah.
Holy shit! No damage?
Did you see our simulated engine failure there? We just dropped the throttle and it landed.
No, I didn't get it on video.
This ground soft here, eh?
There goes Dave. Going to show us what a 90-degree bank turn is. Look at this, man. Off the ground. He almost dragged the tail skid when he took off there.
Yeah. Oh, he yanks it off pretty good.
Yeah, you got to get some color on that plane, Tim.
Yep.
Tip.
Yeah, just the wingtips.
Tip Top Rentals?
Big top.
Big Top Rentals. That's what you got to get on there. A company, a corporate sponsorship. That was a 90-degree turn.
We did about 2 or 3 of those.
Yeah.
I don't know what the hell he's calling. I looked out my window on every turn, and the wing was straight to the ground. Now what was that? 75?
I don't know. I missed that one. No, that's 45 there.
You just can't beat these airplanes, man. These average Kitfox things. They're awesome. The freaking prices they come. Just a whole lot of airplanes, man.
Oh, here goes Jerry taking off again. For a slow by. Couple blurry Kitfoxes. Oh, look at this. This is nice. Which one's Dave's? The top one?
Yeah.
Little formation flying.
Gotta get the 3 of them going.
yeah.
It looks like stupidity, but he never flies where there's nowhere out. Now, if you had an engine, it looks like you're gonna hit the trees, right? If you're at full throttle, you can just reef it right over them, and you're in that field, right? But he does fly low.
Get them both in here, yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, nice.
Perfect landing here. Very nice. Oh, it's beautiful.
Hey, look at my G meter. Water right now. I'm over 2 G's just now. It's cool flying beside him there. Way back up. John's still up there, eh? Yeah, John's still up there.